attach at first stitch to last stitch. This tool is useful to attach at first stitch to last stitch of the objects. Here you can see some objects. Now, let's press home first. This object is routine first, and then routine this object. Now, if have to routine this object first, and then another objects, and connect to the last stitch. Select the object, and press attach at first stitch to last stitch button. Now, you can see, the jump was gone, and this object is routine first, and then routine this object. Let's see again. Here, you can see, a jump is coming. If you want to remove, and join with the last stitch of the object, select the object, and press attach at first stitch to last stitch button. This function will use when routine, using W routine procedure. If object is running first, and you want to connect it to the last stitch, this function will be used.